Use it, don't lose it. Hi everyone, my name is Eric Oberes from Group Sapron from 11 STEM-2. What if I told you that the power to sustain life on our planet flows through the choices we make every day? Every time you turn the tap, flush the toilet, or water your plants, you're tapping into a global water network. Think about the last time you had a really refreshing glass of water on a hot day. It feels good, right? Now, imagine not having that rapidly available. Scary thought, isn't it? We often take water from granted, but it's the lifeblood of our planet and our communities. According to Vince Van Gogh, great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. I'm not a scientist or an expert, but I'm someone who cares about our future. And I believe that even the smallest changes we make in our lives can add up to something big. Today, I want to talk about something vital on our water resources. I want to make it clear what they are, why we need to protect them, and how each of us can make a real difference right here in our homes and communities. First things first, let's know what are the water resources. So, what exactly water resources? Think of it as all the water resources we can potentially use. That includes rivers and lakes, like Pasig River or Laguna Bay, underground water, the water we tap into with wells, rainwater, that free water falling from the sky, even the ocean, which with a little of science, can give us fresh water. Why do we need to conserve and protect water resources? And why should we care? Scarcity, we don't have an endless supply of clean and fresh water. Our health, clean water is essential for drinking, cooking, and stay healthy. Our economy, water support our industries, agriculture, and even tourism. Our environment, plants, animals, and the entire ecosystem depend on clean water. Simple steps at home. Okay, so what can we actually do? Be mindful. Don't let the faucet run while brushing your teeth. Take shorter shower. Fix those leaks. A dripping faucet can waste gallons of water. Use efficient appliances when it's time to replace your appliances. Look for water serving models. Collect rainwater. Use it for water your plants. Community role. But it's not just about we do at home. We need to work together as a community. Support local farmers. Choose produce from farmers who use water efficient practices. Participate in cleanups. Help keep our rivers and lakes clean. Spread the word. Talk to your friends and families about water conservation. Get involved in local government. Support policies and protect our water resources. Remember that glass of water on a hot day? Let's make sure everyone has to access to that, now and in the future. Every small action counts. Let's commit to being water wise, not just for ourselves, but for our kids, our grandkids, and for the future of the planet. Thank you. Once again, I'm Eric Oberes from Group Sapron 11 STEM-2.